Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can make over $300 worth of free token and NFT on CoinMarketCap. And in addition, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can do this easily to attain maximum results. But before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And if you are among the 72.7% of people watching my video right now and you have not subscribed, I urge you to subscribe right now and you're not going to regret it. So now let's move. CoinMarketCap has partnered with trusted and new projects to offer an easy way to earn cryptocurrencies while learning about them. On one of my previous videos on how to get free Bitcoin and crypto, I made mention of Coinbase Earn, and CoinMarketCap has adopted that feature but in a very easy to use process. Now the way this one works is just by either watching videos or completing quiz, and you get reward with unique token or NFTs. And most of these tokens and NFTs are already on popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit or MEXC. Now as you can see, Sandbox is already on Binance exchange, you understand? Now before I show you the step-by-step guide on how you can be earning this token for free, shout out to Success TV, Dance TV, Universe TV and Taweda. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Always note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers. So make sure you have subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. And turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified first. You can as well join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with other people. So now let's move. Now sometimes most of these coins you are about to earn from CoinMarketCap has worth over $100 to $500 on exchanges. All you just need to do is to open an account with exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin or Bybit. But Binance is recommended because it supports many other crypto apart from popular coins you know. And if you are new to Binance, use the link below to register on Binance and watch that video at the top right corner to understand this Binance interface. I will make this section of this video to be very informative and brief, so make sure you keep watching to the very end and follow all my steps to attain maximum results. Now once you are done with your Binance registration and verification, you just need to click on the top left corner and copy your user ID, you understand? This user ID is a unique random number that every Binance has, you understand? So you just need to copy it to your clipboard by tapping it. Now that is just the first thing to do, and the next step is to go to CoinMarketCap with the link below, you understand? Make sure you sign up with the link below. CoinMarketCap just require your email address for registration, so you sign up with your email address. Now once you have successfully registered on CoinMarketCap, you just need to click on the menu tab at the top right corner. You click on it. Now on this pop-up menu, you just need to click on learn. You click on learn, then wait for it to load up, and a sub menu will drop down again. Then click on earn. You click on it, wait for it to load up. Now after you click on earn, it will take you to this section whereby you need to select the project at which you want to learn and earn with, you understand? As you can see, the first one is only one, which token is like. Aside that, there are multiple projects at which you can learn and earn from, you understand? Most of these projects have ended, and few of these projects all listed here are active, you understand? That is why you can see on earn like, you see this live icon that is this campaign is live, you understand? And perpetual protocol, there is no live icon. Mass ecosystem, there is no live icon, you understand? So most times you come and you see multiple projects live, you understand? Although this section is being updated regularly, so once you have seen your project at which you want to participate on, but basically participate on the one that is live, so you click on earn like, you understand? But before you proceed on anything else, you still need to go back to the CoinMarketCap homepage, then search for only one or like token, you understand? So you just need to search for only one or like, then you click on it, you understand? Don't forget, you need to work with the learn to earn project that is live, you understand? So like token is the one that is live on the learn to earn section. So all you just need to do is to click on this tab button to add it to your watch list, you understand? So you click on it, then only one have been added to your watch list, you understand? Now once you have successfully added the token you are working with to your watch list, you just need to go to your watch list dashboard by clicking on this top right corner and select watch list. You understand? Now on your watch list dashboard, you will see tokens or coins that you have added to your watch list. The next thing to do is to make it public by clicking on these 3 dots at the top right. You understand? After you click on it, you click on this public button, you make it public. You understand? Then you go back. Now the next thing to do is to click on this share button. Once you click on it, you click on copy. So you need to copy your watch list link. You understand? Don't worry, you will understand the reason why you are copying your watch list link. You understand? So you copy it to your clipboard. Now after you have copied your watch list link, you just need to go back to the learn to earn project you want to work on. You understand? Now back to the project you are working on. You understand? You will see that this campaign ends in 19 days, 14 hours and 57 minutes. You understand? So now make sure you go through all the lessons to attain the perfect answer to the quiz. You understand? You also need to watch videos to understand deeply about the project, so that when you're answering the quiz, it will be very, very easy for you. Now once you are done with the last lesson, you just need to scroll down. You will see this section that say take the quiz and earn like token. You understand? So you click take the quiz. Now before we take the quiz, remember I did not go through the project, but don't worry, I will teach you one trick at which you can get all your answers right. So now once you are here, you just need to scroll down to this section that says CoinMarketCap only one N. You understand? So you take the quiz by clicking on start. You click start. Now on this section, you have to tick this box. You are not a robot. Then you tick it, then proceed to the next one. Now the second swipe is for you to agree to the CoinMarket terms and conditions. So you click on please carefully read the frequently asked question page before starting any quiz. So you click on yes, because I'm randomly doing it. So now on this section, you have to provide your email address that you used to register on CoinMarketCap. You understand? So make sure you use the link below to register. So you put the email address. Now after you inputted your email address, automatically it will take you to this section that says provide your Binance user ID. This is the reason why you copied your Binance user ID. You understand? So make sure you copy it first before you go through the process, so that you are not going to leave this page. So I've already copied it on my clipboard, so I will just need to paste it. Now as you can see, it will take you to the first question after you inputted your personal details. You understand? So now the first question says what problems is only one trying to solve. You understand? Remember, I did not go through the project's outline and the course outline, but I'm going to use one trick now to get all answer right. You understand? Now since I did not go through the lessons, but I'll go through the lesson later. You understand? But for you, I recommend you go through the lesson, but you can also use this strategy. You understand? So now you copy the question, then you copy it, then you open a new tab. You understand? Open a new tab, then paste the question. You paste the question, then you wait for Google to give you a reply. Now if you don't want to open a new tab, because the moment you try to open a new tab, this page will refresh. Once you highlight the question, you swipe up, because this Google option is here, then you will get the answer. You understand? So you swipe up. But for the sake of this video, I want it to be very, very brief. You understand? That is why I say make sure you go through the lessons so that you understand everything, because the moment you get wrong answer, you're not going to get reward. You understand? So make sure your answers are correct. So I'm going to go back now, because I just want to show you how everything works. I'm going to answer the question randomly. You understand? So I'll just click on all of the above, then go to the next question. So I'm just going to tick the answer randomly. You understand? Please make sure you don't do what I'm doing now. I'm just sacrificing to show you how it works, so that when you're doing it, you need to go through the lesson so that you attain maximum result. Now I know of someone that's benefited over $200 from this same quiz. You understand? Now the next question say what feature do only one offer? So I'll just click, then go to the next questions. On only one, each question will have, you see the questions until except you go through the lesson. That is when you can be able to answer the questions. You understand? So I'm just going to take random answers just to show you what will happen at the end. You understand? So that's just how it is. Okay, let me go back, because there's one question I saw that is very cheap, so I need to answer that question. What is the name of the native token? It's like, so it's not bike. So now this feed says for premium content, MDC, stuff like that. So you just get to tick it. The initial NFT offering, I know, is a new cryptocurrency crowdfunding innovation pioneered by Olion. What are the benefits of doing it? So maybe by the time you go down, I just want to click all of the above. You understand? Now, only one's initial NFT offering, the ones offered unique mints, stuff like this. So I'll just proceed. What NFT can users sell on only one marketplace? Okay, all of the above. Let me use. You understand? Now it will take you to this last section that say what is your SPL Solana wallet address for rewarding distribution. You understand? So this means that you are going to copy your Solana address. You understand? The Solana network address, not BSC Solana. You understand my point? So once you paste it, then you should proceed to the next one that require you say add only one to your public watch list. Then now this is the reason why you need to copy your watch list. So you just need to paste your watch list link. You understand? Now after you have successfully pasted your watch list, you click on submit. You understand? But remember, I'm not going to click on submit because I've not imputed my Solana address. So I'm going to go back to Binance, then copy my Solana address, or you go to Trust Wallet, or as you can see, Phantom, Slope, or Solid Wallet. You understand? To copy your Solana address. Now I'm just making this video to show you how to go about it. You understand? So once you have successfully made the correct answers and made the provisions, you just need to click on submit, and once you click on submit, you have successfully participated on this learn to earn. So once all your questions are correct, they are going to distribute your reward to your address directly. You understand? Now as I said before, if all your answers are correct, you'll be rewarded with this token, like, and most times it can be rewarded with $10, $50, $20, you understand, as the case may be. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative content like this, and also join our Telegram community to engage with new people and get quick updates, and drop all your questions and compliments on the comment section below, as this will be it for this video.